Hi friends, this is immigration lawyer Marina Shepelsky, and today I want to talk about the trends in U.S. immigration that I expect for 2024. Before I begin, I invite you to please, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, please subscribe and share this video with your family and friends, and check out our other videos. Also check out my stuff on Instagram, Marina Shepelsky Attorney, and share that as well. So the trend number one, I probably will predict that the borders will close down this year. All the states are very upset with President Biden's administration. Some people are even talking about impeaching Alexander Mayorkas, our Department of Homeland Security Secretary, because they are allowing anybody who files legally for asylum at the border to enter U.S. They're not turning them away. They're giving them status sometimes, but these people just go and live in big cities. And the big cities like New York, Chicago, Washington, D.C. are getting overwhelmed with these new migrants. Our resources are running out, they're saying, and some of them are starting to bring lawsuits, and Congress is actually doing a whole hearing about it. So trend number one is that borders will probably close down this year again. Number two, new registration procedure for H-1B visas. They're adding passport information and other identifying information to make sure that only one beneficiary applies one time, and that an employer cannot make multiple applications in the visa lottery for the same one worker, for the same beneficiary. So they're making a new registration procedure. Also, they already started this H-1B visa renewal inside United States in 2024. A noteworthy development is to watch out for the Department of Homeland Security's pilot program focusing on renewing H-1B visas inside U.S. without leaving. Now, this only is for 20,000 people right now, 20,000 applications, and this is for those who acquired their visa stamps already in U.S. consulates in India or Canada. They're just going to be able to renew inside the United States. Next, special work visas and immigration petitions for AI talent. President Biden signed an executive order in October 2023 saying, come to the United States, anybody that has a background in artificial intelligence, education in this area. We want people like that. We want them to come here. We want them to expand our AI capacities. You're welcome. So they are going to increase the amount of people they're going to approve for immigrant visas and for temporary visas to come here to U.S. and develop our American AI potential. Now, I expect all the government fees to increase this year because of the inflation. They started the year by increasing the premium processing fees for work petitions and student visas, and I think all the other government filing fees with USCIS and Department of State will increase this year. Things are going to get more expensive because our life in America is getting more expensive. And that also ends up affecting the government fees. They're struggling. They have, a budget, and they're always struggling with hiring more people. They don't have the money for it. And remember that USCIS and Department of State for immigrant visas and non-immigrant visas are self-supporting. That money is not coming from the taxpayers. That money is coming from the people paying the fees. So it's only natural that because of the inflation that we're all experiencing, the government fees will increase as well this year. And finally, this one is what I'm hoping for, and my most favorite sixth trend that I expect in 2024 is I hope to see green card backlogs shift, and the times to get a green card will get a lot less. I'm hoping those 3 years for VAWA will go down to maybe like 2 years. I'm hoping that the 5 years it takes now for the U visa will go down to maybe 2 years or 3 years. I'm hoping that people won't have to wait for an asylum interview the way they're waiting now for 9 or 10 years in some cases. I'm hoping that immigrant visas for family unifications will have less time processing. So this is a trend I hope for. I hope to see all the backlogs for visas and green cards decrease in 2024, and we'll all be here to see it. So wishing you a happy 2024. I hope you have a very productive, successful year. Lots of health. Watch our videos, share them. We see you soon. Bye-bye.